Hello everyone, in this video, I'll provide you a troubleshooting guide to fix common Windows errors such as reflex error issue, as you can see here on the screen, block deletion of token file, or hypervisor loaded error. I will give you simple steps to resolve these system conflicts. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you do have any questions during this video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll answer them for you. Without any further ado, let's get straight to fixing. Now, let me go ahead and minimize this. And the first thing that you need to do, click on your start menu over here, and then type in CMD, run as administrator. Over here, go ahead and type in bcd edit space set hypervisor launch type. So, then the last one is off. Go ahead and press enter, and it should say the operation completed successfully. Once done, close it out. The next thing that you need to do is disable the Hyper-V features. To do that, once more, go ahead and navigate on your start menu. Type turn Windows features on or off. Something like this. Go ahead and click on it. A window will pop up. Scroll down until you see the section that says Windows Hypervisor Platform and Virtual Machine Platform. Make sure that two are turned off. As you can see here, it is currently turned off for me, so no text or check. Press OK. And the last thing that we need to do is disable core isolation. To do that, go on your device security. Right here. On your device security, click on core isolation details. And over here, this will be a temporary for you, so go ahead and turn that off. An administrator pop-up will go ahead and ask you for yes or no. Just go ahead and click on yes. Once done, go ahead and restart your PC and try to play your game or any error that might be encountering this. So if you guys find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Peace.